Alright, we're back on Avatar. Haven't played basically since the launch day because of the Tokon beta and just moving and whatnot. So I'm excited to get back into this. Looks like we're up against a Nightmare Korra. Oh, fine, we'll keep the color. I wanted to change my color, but it's fine. Up against Nightmare Korra, who I still want to try out. It's just, it ain't for me yet. I really want her to be finished. So I haven't really talked much about what happened with this game on launch, because I was just kind of enjoying the moment. Alright, that works. It's not what I wanted. Oh, I meant to grab. I tried to grab like this was Tokon. They jumped just enough. So, you know, as I'm sure anybody who's played the game knows, there is just straight up unfinished content here, with Nightmare Korra being one of them. Oh, and she's fucking me up too. I am not doing very good this round. Okay. Oh, I fucked up. I tried to do the triangle. I should have got that round. But it is what it is. So obviously there's like things in this game that aren't finished. There's no ranked mode, which is sad. But I know they're working on it, and they put out like their roadmap. If when you launch the game, they gave you an idea of what they're working on next. Oh. Okay, I keep throwing that out, thinking that like it's gonna. I'm not plus when I do that, which is. Alright, we got the normal there. Sorry, I had to focus up a little bit. So, you know, it's kind of sad that this game wasn't given the ability to fully finish, you know? And of course, that's probably corporate meddling. And there ain't much you can do about corporate meddling. We're unbalanced. Don't like that. Oh, this is gonna hurt. I wasn't prepared to do the special. I'm also a little bit Tokon pilled right now, or Tokon brained. Oh man, that's a thing, is it? All right, yeah, I didn't think so. I did not think so. All right, we got it 1-1. Gonna go first to 3 with all the games I play. I'm hoping that when they add rank, that's just what they make it, as first to 3. Oh, he's okay. So he got the read on the way I wanted to go. It's really risky to. Oh god, I did 2H twice. I wanted one of those to be a 6H or a 4H, and just did not do that. I need to figure out if there's something I can do off of that. Good read. Oh, I flowed. It always sucks. It always sucks when you run out of flow on Kyoshi because you literally can't do anything because all of her specials cost flow. Alright, that was getting a little predictable there. Alright, now we can... I think I can just get away. Oh, nope, could not just get away with that. I tried to just wake up 2H and was not the way. Kind of getting back into the groove of things with Avatar. Because like I said, I have not played since launch day, basically. And I did play more than the video I recorded. Just wasn't... Don't have all the time in the world to record, and I don't want to have to record, you know, every time I play the game. Okay, I thought... Oh. I keep fucking up. I keep... My thumbs are just not... Ah, damn it. Alright, well, we're probably gonna lose this one 3-1, unfortunately. Well, I mean, I could still win. I'm dropping things. Just gotta have a little bit of confidence in myself. Oh, good grab. Alright, that covered it, Alright, we got around. We can log in, we can do this. I believe in myself. So the other thing that they announced recently for this game is that the villain, Tonri? I forget how to pronounce his name off the top of my head. Still have not seen the movie yet. Oh, fuck. But the villain from the movie's coming to the game. Which, that'll be kind of cool. Okay. Don't want... Oh, do I have to do that? Oh, I pressed the button. Nice. Whew, okay. We got a 2-2. We can bring this back. I still find myself mashing the auto combo in this game. I don't want to do that. I think there's a level of, you know, especially as I'm learning. See, I fucked up that combo. And I don't even do, like, the actual version of that combo. Ah, damn, I didn't realize I was so low on health. I'm the Avatar! We both are. Like, chill out, you ain't that special. Not to the player, obviously, they're beating my ass. But, I mean, to Korra specifically. Okay. Alright, whew. I thought I could maybe get them with the special there. I don't use that special enough. It's really hard to Okay, I need to throw my medium in the air more. Oh. Oh, whew. All right, we got a 3-2. We got a 3-2. Was not my best showing on that, unfortunately, but I mean, we got it. This is the color I prefer for Kyoshi, by the way. I kind of wish there was more colors in the game. That would be nice. There's a guy who has like a mod to change your color palette, like client side, which I thought was interesting. He's got it behind a Patreon right now, but I kind of hope to see more colors. I really need to find or figure out more things to do with Kyoshi. I know I've seen people do something like this and do some kind of combo out of that. I have not, been doing that. I tend to always approach with the, or when I do that flow approach, I tend to always go 2M or 2A, I guess, or whatever. Or 2A, not 2M, 2L. If I can speak. I also wish I knew... better combos. Oh, just in general. I wish I knew... Oh, I didn't realize. Okay. I was too high there. Damn. Okay. I was trying to get something specific there. I was just trying to hit him or block his fireball and then hit him with the follow-up on the 6C. Fucking Kyoshi's tall ass. All right, we got him with the AA. It's weird. So I just got off of, I talked about it earlier, I just got off of, or not just got off of, but the Tokon beta was over the weekend, and I really had to condition myself out of using lights in the Tokon beta because it was just not good. Okay, finally hit that, Jesus Christ. I also gotta condition myself out of... Let's see, did you press a button? No. Could have probably got it with a... Okay. Sorry. I always lose... I've noticed, because I've gone back and watched a few of these recordings back, and I notice I always will start on a point, and then I'll get focused on the match, and I won't finish the point. So I'm trying to make sure I actually finish whatever it is I've decided to talk about. Okay, that sucks. Okay, I gotta stop mashing there. Okay, I gotta... Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, I need to make sure if I need to be ready for that hit. Because if I get that... I thought I would get him with the guard. Nice. Now, I definitely didn't mean to do that, but it covered very well. I think that's the circle follow-up to her quarter circle forward, which is actually, like, not a bad button. There we go. I gotta remember, I mean, you just gotta not mesh, you know? Just gotta not mesh. Ah, fuck. Gotta not mash, I say as I continue to mash. Alright, there we go, there we go. Just gotta not mash, I say as I continue to mash. Like an idiot. Alright. 2-0 so far. I feel like I haven't faced a lot of different variety of characters yet. I'm hoping to do so today. Did that too slow, I think. Okay, I gotta stop throwing out her 2M like that. I could do it in neutral, but I can't do it out of block. It's like, see right there, that's a good button, but I can't be in or coming out of a block string and doing 2M. I gotta do 2L if I'm gonna do 2 at all. Okay, was I think too slow on that? Don't throw now. Alright. Her 2L's got some crazy range. Or just in general, Kiyoshi has some crazy range. So, you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm doing 3-0s with everybody because I just want to see, I'm hoping to see, or not 3-0s, I'm doing 3-0s with everybody. No. Doing first to 3 with everybody I play. It'd be cool to get 3-0 on every person I fought, but I'm not that good. Like, come on, dude. There's having confidence and there's saying some stupid shit. I need to find a better combo route out of just about everything. Like, I think I can do something like that. Oh, we got a mirror match here. Let's see if they actually. Oh, frame delay of a 2 is what they suggest. I haven't actually had too many like super laggy games. Oh, and they're gonna actually switch it up to Azula. Okay. Don't want to play the mirror, I guess. Can't say I blame them. Shit. Azula knows what she's doing. It's kind of weird coming back to the game, like... Oh, I'm gonna get perfect. Because this Azula really knows what she's doing. Yep, got perfected. That was unfortunate. I mean, they were queued up on Kiyoshi, so they probably have like a good idea of what I'm going for. Okay, I need to really be careful here. Okay, that was bad. Ah, man, right out of flow. Okay, gotta be careful. Okay. Ah, damn, we got our flow back too. So I could have done something there. I definitely should have been able to kill. I know there's some combos that use the charge 4C. Okay, gotta to make sure I'm using my anti-air options as well. Nice. God, I love the smear frames. They're so... When we first got like our really good look at this game, I was so enticed by the smear frames. Like they're so cool. And speaking of so cool, haven't really got a chance to fight much against the Fire Lord Azula, but she is definitely one of the cooler characters. Alright, that's a combo. That's basically all I know. Oh, I could have followed up on that. So I could use that on block to kind of like try and mix them up. I should have. Oh, and I'm dead here unless they drop it. Yeah. Sucks. Alright. We can lock in here. We can get this. I'm getting the hits. So the one thing I've noticed in just all of my rewatching, and I've talked about execution a lot, and the biggest thing is that not executing properly is the biggest reason I'm losing when I do lose. And it's, you know, I say as I'm kind of getting ran over right now, I'm not usually getting ran over, but when I am, the reason is because, or when I'm not getting ran over, the reason I'm losing is because I'm not executing. So I just have to do that. I could have got the 2L on her, or yeah, the air 2L. Could probably stand to use. Oh, I shouldn't have jumped. I gotta start using. She's doing a lot of jump-ins. Okay, so she jumps in a lot, so if I just... Oh, fuck. There we go. She does... This Azula does a lot of jumping, so if I want to be successful here, I need to use my 2H, my JH. I could pretty much just J or 2H on her approach. I say as I proceed to not do that. And get ran over here. Okay, yeah, so I could pretty much... I wish I knew what, if anything, comboed off of that. I'm not sure if there is something I can get off of that or not. Alright, we need to lock in here. I'd prefer to at least get a game. I'm not... I'll reiterate this probably every time. I'm not super worried about my win loss. Okay, nice. But it doesn't mean that I don't want to, or that I don't want to win, you know? Did you flow through that? That's funny. That's gonna hurt. And I'm dead. Ah, damn it, I didn't get a hit. Alright, well, we lost that 1-0-3. I'm not super thrilled about that, but it is what it is. Again, I don't mind playing these out. And I think in my own time, I don't mind just sitting there and ramming my head against a casual or in a casual and trying to win, or just keep playing. But I just want to see some new characters. Like, I haven't fought against Zahir, I haven't fought against Sokka, I haven't fought against Katara, I haven't fought against Aang. I haven't fought against Ozai, I haven't fought against a Kyoshi. Azula, Zuko, Toph, and Nightmare Korra, maybe some regular Korra, are about all I've seen. And I know that's half the roster, but that's just like, I want to play more people, that's all. Alright, last one of this video, and it's a Toph. Okay, that's fine. A-okay by me. I also should maybe mess around with the other supports for Kyoshi. I like the powered follow-ups. I don't understand what the double jump, or the double jump one is supposed to actually do. But I know that her follow-up, or the better follow-ups, allows me to do that, even if that's not necessarily the best. Does that have armor? I didn't realize that had armor. Good to know. Alright. So that Azula was just clearly better than us. And it does feel like eventually you're going to get to the point where the problem with Kyoshi is going to be just that she's slow. Alright, got it. Because... oh, and they quit. Alright. Fair enough. We're going to call that it for this video. I'm going to try and record a few today. Some good games. Got kind of beat up by that Azula. Gotta really actually work on some kind of combo, you know? Not some kind of combo. I just need to do something better with the hits I'm getting, or actually capitalize on them, because I'm pretty sure I got hits that I could have done something against that Azula multiple times, and then I just didn't. But that'll all come with practice. But it's nice to be on Avatar again. I got about a week and a half-ish until Tokon's out. Excited for both of these games. Don't know how I'm going to balance both of these games, but that's it for this particular session of Avatar. See you next time.